Ever wonder why water flows but a stone stays? Why can you pour a tea but not a biscuit? Let's dive into the flowed world of liquids. Hello everyone, welcome back to Marathi Lecturewali. Today we are talking about the second state of matter, liquids. Liquids are unique because they don't have a fixed shape but they do not have a fixed value. Liquids are unique because first is they don't have a fixed shape but they do have a fixed volume. Unlike solids, the particles in liquids are not tightly packed. They have some space between them and can move around. That's why liquid can flow and take a shape of any container you put them in. Let's start with an experiment. Look at this bottle, this bowl and this glass. When I pour water into bottle, it look like a bottle. When I pour it into the bottle, it changes shape. This proves that liquids have no fixed shape. They take the shape of container. Now, let's test how liquid flows. I have a water in one hand and honey in the other hand. Watch closely. Water flows very fast, but honey moves slowly. This resistance to flow is called viscosity. Some liquids are thin, and some are thick. Here is a magic trick. Add one drop of blue ink into the still water. Look, the ink is spreading on its own. This is called diffusion. It shows that particles in a liquid are continuously moving and have space between them. To summarize, liquid flow take the shape of their container and they have moving particles. From the milk you drink to the oil in your kitchen, liquid are everywhere. If you enjoy this experiment, hit the like button and subscribe to Marathi Lecturewali. Looks around you. Liquids are everywhere. The water we drink, the milk in our breakfast, and even the petrol in our vehicles. Notice how honey flows slowly while water flows fast. This is due to a property called viscosity. Liquid flows take the shape of the container and have a fixed volume. From the ocean to the blood in our bodies, liquids keep life moving. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay fluid like water. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Marathi Lecturewali.